Probably one of the most interesting cases I ever had was a case in 1988. A little boy, Joey Kennedy, and I can mention his name because this case actually went to trial and was published. Little boy Joey Kennedy was playing at a construction site, and the contractors had to get gasoline tanks out of the ground to prepare it for construction. And they did this on a Friday, and unfortunately there was an argument between the two contractors as to whose job it was to take those gasoline tanks away. And during the construction, little boys were coming and watching the construction because there was mounds of dirt and they were playing with their cars. And the nightmare happened. The construction firm left. They never resolved who was going to take the gas tanks away. The gas tank was laying up there with all the vapors. A little boy had a match and lit it. And he was killed, and Joey Kennedy, my client, was permanently injured. And that was actually the first brain injury case that I handled. And I learned about what people with brain injury go through, all the treatments they have to have, the terror of never knowing if your child's going to talk or walk again, trying to coordinate treatment. These folks lived in a small town in Indiana and would have to drive almost daily to Indianapolis for speech therapy and occupational therapy. Brain injury affects the entire family. And the good news on the case is we got a very good verdict. The jury paid a lot of attention in the trial and put the responsibility on these contractors who had failed to take this gas tank away. And we were able to provide for that boy's future. And in fact, he is still receiving funds from the settlement. Is being cared for.
For more information, contact Doehrman Buba at 800-269-3443.